So we went straight to the government agency overseeing the companies, the Consumer Product Safety Commission. Why not tell these smoke detector companies, make sure to get that photoelectric technology into all of your detectors so you're covered completely? Why not mandate it?
Because both technologies are working and saving lives.
We know of several cases where the smoke alarm, people say, just did not go off.
In those cases, that they need to practice a fire escape plan to make sure they can get out.
But if the smoke detector didn't go off and the house is full of smoke by the time it does, what does an escape plan do?
It helps them escape better when the smoke alarm eventually goes off.
But eventually isn't good enough for Amanda Deputy, who lost nearly everything.
I would like to think that if I had known that I might have a family of 7 instead of a family of 3,